Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. In today's videos, I am going to share you my reviews on the newest palette from Charlotte Tilbury. Is the luxury eye palette named Fire Rose. So I am wearing it now. If you want to know my opinions, keep watching these videos. Before starting the videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to support me, and also here's my Instagram, so please follow it if you want. So this is the packaging. It looks very holidays coming soon, right? And it's very fancy, but still the packaging still keep the classic designs of the old packages here. So the logo still in the middle, but they have some crystal details around it. Yeah. At the back here, you still have the instruction, like Charlotte suggests which color should go first. So it's very easy for beginners to use this palette. See, oh my goodness, I love that. It's so fancy, and look at the colors. I think in my camera it's much lighter than the outside. However, I still very love it. So you have two shimmer colors, one glitter, and a burgundy color here is matte. So let's see how it's going to shows on my face. I am going to follow her instruction. I'm going to use this one first. It's the pinky shimmery colors to apply all over my eyes. I love it. Look at the pigmentations. So I think compared to the Pillow Talk palette, this one is more blendable. I can see it. I think they have the new formula for this one. So I apply all over my eyes. I don't know, I'm not sure if I like the colors more or because this is the new formula, so it makes the color looks more beautiful than the products that I used in the past. I feel it's easier to blend and the color is very pigmented. So the next colors I'm going to use is this one. It's the kind of like I don't know, brown something. So I am going to apply all over my lid here. Wow, it's really nice. You can see it's different, right? I'm not sure if it's because this one is shimmer, so it's easier for me to blend compared to the glitter, perhaps. But yes, it's very nice. I'm going to change to a smaller brush. I don't have it here. So for these strong colors, I'm gonna take very little and then very carefully apply to my eyes. I should have a smaller brush, I guess, but I'm just too lazy to move, so it's okay. I'll make it happen. And we are going to clean it with a concealer, so don't worry. So this is the tricks. I know a lot of people using this because sometimes you don't have a lot of brush, right? So it's hard for you to just do some detailed stuff. But yeah, you just need to use your concealer to clean up, and then voila. Okay, so back to the glitter. I am going to use my hand because I think it's the best way to apply glitter colors. Oh, that's amazing. Whoa, this is one of the best purchases of this year, seriously. I really need a smaller brush, but I still too lazy. What should I do? Okay, I'm going to get a smaller brush and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back with a smaller brush. I'm going to apply this glitter colors in the waterline. So I want a little bit red color, so I add a little bit of burgundy and then I mix this with this glitter. This is the first red colors palette that I have, but I love it, so love it. Yeah, let's finish the eyes with mascara and also the eyeliner. For mascara, I am going to use this mascara, the Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes from Charlotte Tilbury too, and this is also a very nice mascara. I haven't had my lipstick too, but yeah, let me finish my eye makeup with the eye pencil. Now is my lipstick. So this is my final look. How do you think about that? I love it, and this, although this is quite pricey, it's 66 Canadian dollars. However, the quality is just so good, and I feel the color is very unique. It's easy to use, although this color is quite strong. However, it's very easy for you to mix and match because you also have the instruction at the back. And yeah, I think it's a very nice purchase of the year, especially for gifting during this holiday season, right? Because it's just one time a year, so it's worth for you to invest in this colors. Yep. And thank you for watching, and I hope you guys like it. If you have any ideas or comments, please let me know below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channels. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.